Hey, future female billionaire entrepreneurs. Just wanted to take this opportunity to wish you a happy Mother's Day weekend. Want to let you know I appreciate everything that you do. I see you out there. I see you making the sacrifices to pretty much take care of your kids, take care of your families. I see you. I appreciate that everything that you're doing in business for making business a better place for everyone. I see you. And just want to let you know that if you ever need a word of encouragement, if you ever need advice, give us a call. We're here for you to support you. We love you. We honor you. And again, I wish you a happy Mother's Day weekend.